Hi guys. I just thought it would be a good idea to do a couple of video tutorials trying to explain what are the requirements of this assessment preparation that we are going to do on Unit 2. And so I'll just get started by saying that one of the issues that I've seen is the fact that it seemed like a lot of you were just trying to get started with importing, but obviously the first thing that you need to do is actually trying to understand what you truly need to do in the assessment, what the requirements, what is it that is going to give you the marks that are required. Okay, and so if you were looking at this PowerPoint, okay, you will see that you need to list entities and attributes. You need to draw your first ERD diagram. You need to import the data and take a screenshot of it so that you have evidence. You need to take a screenshot of the tables that you create from the stuff that you imported. You need to create a relationship ERD diagram in Microsoft Access. And then you need to show the design view table. Okay, and the reason why you need to do that is just because I want to be able to see what are the data, what are the types of the different attributes that you have in your tables. Then you need to create a form. And then you need to basically create queries that are gonna solve basically are going to basically look for the information that I'm going to ask you. Okay. And then after having read all of this, or just before, you need to actually make sure that you read and understand what the scenario is. Okay. So you need to have, spend 5-10 minutes actually reading what is the scenario and what is required, what the main information is. And then once you've done all of that, then that's when you can actually get started, okay, with the actual assessment itself. And so the very first thing they're going to do is, from what you've understood here, you're going to go and create a list of all the entities and attributes from what you can understand in the scenario, okay? This is just for this assessment, okay? But it gives me an idea about what your thinking process is, and how you decide, okay, I'm going to have these 3 entities or 4 entities, or what are the attributes of these entities that I've created and why I've assigned those attributes to those entities, and so on. Okay. All right. So on the next video, I'm going to show you is obviously an example of one possible entity that you will have, but it will be up to you later on then to create the different entities that you have in your depending on what you've understood, and the diagram that will come out of it.